Okay, so students, in the virtual class we learn about the search engine, right? What is the search engine? I hope all of you know that, and I think you are trying to search certain things, certain words on the search engine. So first of all, we are learning about what is the work of the search engine. I think you see what is the search engine. Google is the search engine. Yahoo is also a search engine. You can also search anything on the search engine, right? So now we are going to working of search engine, how the search engine will be work. First of all, search engine means our Google, our Yahoo. What we have to do, we are we are typing some keywords, we are typing some sentences to search some certain things. As I told the example, so for example, you want to search about the Podar International School. So what you have to do, you have to be compulsory write the Podar International School on the search engine टैग्स. ओके, आपको सबसे पहले लिखना पड़ेगा सर्च इंजन में. आपको जो भी लिखना है, कुछ और सर्च करना है तो आप कुछ और सर्च करोगे, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टाइप द वर्ड और द सेंटेंसेस ऑन द सर्च इंजन दैट यू वांट टू सर्च. नेक्स्ट, when you enter the key, means when you click on this search key, what will be happen? One spider, this is a one assumption that spider not will be come out from the search engine. This is a one type of assumptions. Okay, so the search engine send its spider out to crawl the web. Means what happened, for example, you want to search anything, you are typing the keyword, you are typing the sentence. What will be displayed to you when you press the enter key? It will be display the website in front of you, right? So what happened when you search, then it will be the spiders comes with the some of the information that is related, the keyword that is related to the search sentences, right? So first of all, when you enter, spider come out with the certain information and it will be displayed to you, which keyword you use, which sentence you use related to this, the website will be in front of you in your screen. Next, what will be happen if you want to save your website, if you want to save some of the images, if you want to save some of the videos, then you have to be first click on the save button, then it will be saved in your file. Okay, when you do complete your work, it will be goes again to the search engine. Means the spider consolidate their findings to determine where to serve up on the web. Next time, if you want to search again, when you click on the search engine, what happen, the keywords which you use for the search, it will be displayed automatically in front of you. मतलब आपने कुछ सर्च करने के लिए यूज़ किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया कि पोदार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के बारे में आपको सर्च करना है. यू आर टाइपिंग अबाउट द पोदार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. नेक्स्ट टाइम, नाउ यू आर क्लोज्ड इट. Next time, when you again come with your computer or your mobile phone, and if you log in with your email, then what happen, when you just click on the search engine, there are the list, there are the history comes in front of you. Means last time आपने क्या क्या सर्च किया था, आप सर्च इंजन पे क्लिक करोगे तो डायरेक्टली आपको डिस्प्ले होगा. Means what is the work of the search engine? When you type a word, it will be spider comes out and it will be display the information related to keyword, related to sentences, and it will be saved as a history. And if you want to save or download the videos, images, it can be saved in your folder that you want. So this is the working of the search engine. Now how to search, which type of, how can you search, which things you have to use for search. So first of all, for searching, you have to be use the keywords, sentences or phrases that can be used in the search engine to obtain the desired information. So let's search. For example, I am opening the Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, this is your search engine. Google is your search engine, as you know. Now I am going to search some of the things. For example, I am searching about the search engine. I'm searching about the search engine. I want to search about the search engine, so I'm typing here search engine, and you can see that suggestions will be also in front of you. Okay, when I search engine and I press enter, then the website will be in front of you, and these all are the search engines that you can see here. Okay, so when I want to search about the search engine, I type the search engine. If I want to search like that, which are, sorry, the which spelling is wrong, which are the search engines mostly used in India. Okay, so this is a one sentence. I press OK, and you can see these are all the things used, most popular search engines in the India: Google, Live.com, Alexa.com, Baidu.com, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, and DuckDuckGo.com. These are the some of the examples of the search engine in the India. First of all, in the first one, what I have to do, I just want to know what is the search engine, which are the search engine, and I just write the search engine like this. I am writing just search engine and I press OK. Then you can see this will be displayed to you. Means certain things at the whole over the world, not only in India. But when I writing a one sentence, which are the search engines mostly used in India, means this is a one of the sentence. So in the search engine you can also use the keyword, you can also use the sentences. For example, I want to write I want to search about the animals, but wild animals, so I can use the wild. So you can see the wild animals are in front of you, all the wild animals, only wild animals will be displayed to you. So these are the three things we can use for the searching. Okay, I hope so that you are able to understand what is the searching we have to search on the internet. So here we end the session, and nextly we learn about the types of website, types of searching on this in a search engine. Okay, so next time we will meet soon, and I think we will meet I think we will take the direct class on the virtual for the types of websites. Thank you so much.